Tesla is already dominating the electric vehicle sector for a battery-powered electric vehicle, and now according to Elon Musk, Tesla will be getting into the electric van sector as well. Let us take a peek at some interesting facts about the upcoming battery-powered electric van by Tesla. In the fourth quarter earnings call with investors back in January 2021, Elon Musk revealed that he had plans for Tesla to make a battery-powered, fully electric van. The topic came up when an institutional investor asked if electric vans were something Elon Musk had in mind for the future. This question wasn't totally out of the blue, as Elon Musk had previously publicly talked about his plans for an electric van. Tesla's CEO responded by saying that he does have plans to produce electric vans at Tesla in the future. In his reply, he went into details about what was holding up their plans to move into the van market. Elon Musk said, "I think Tesla is definitely going to make an electric van at some point, so the thing to bear in mind is that there is fundamentally a constraint on battery cell output. If one is not involved in manufacturing, it's really hard to appreciate just how hard this scale of production is. It's the hardest thing in the world. Prototypes are easy. Scaling production is very hard." So even though electric vans was something that Tesla was looking into, currently battery supply is holding them back. According to Elon, the same problem was also the reason Tesla's semi-truck program was not making any progress. Basically, Tesla wants to make a lot of vehicles and there aren't enough batteries. Back in 2018, Elon had floated the idea of Tesla making an electric van. In a tweet, Elon showed interest in working with Mercedes on an electric Sprinter van. "Maybe interesting to work with Daimler Mercedes on an electric Sprinter. That's a great van, we will inquire." The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a light commercial van made by Mercedes, and it is a pretty popular choice for a delivery van in Europe. Even in the US, you can see a lot of Sprinters working in the commercial sector. So this isn't the first time Elon has thought about Tesla getting into the electric van business. Of all the vehicle types, you might be wondering, why is everyone in the automotive sector suddenly interested in battery-powered electric vehicles? Well, there is a very good commercial reason behind this. Vans are a very critical part of the last-mile delivery of any logistics service. Think of all the packages that get to your doorstep. How do they make it there? Obviously, large trucks can't enter the urban roads to deliver. For those last-mile deliveries, we have vans to thank. Vans are the perfect option for last-mile delivery. They are small enough to fit in with the urban traffic and at the same time have enough cargo space to store a lot of packages. This is the same reason Amazon, the largest e-commerce player in the US, has teamed up with Rivian to develop fully electric vans for the Amazon fleet. Amazon announced that they will be getting about 10,000 of these vans on the road as early as 2022, with a total fleet of 100,000 vans by 2030. Similarly, other companies like Ford and GM are also working on their electric vans as well. As we move more and more toward electric vehicles, our current fleet of fossil fuel-powered vans will need to also be replaced by electric vehicles. And the delivery service industry isn't the only market for electric vans. Vans are also pretty popular with suburban families, since they offer a great sitting area for families as well as good cargo space. In fact, Tesla even has plans for an electric van made especially for families. So there is no doubt that there is a great market out there for electric vans. But the problem is that even though there is a lot of demand for battery-powered electric vehicles, Tesla simply doesn't have the capacity to meet those demands. This is mainly because of the battery shortages Tesla is facing. Tesla is slowly switching to the 4680 batteries in all their upcoming vehicles, but the problem is that Tesla has so many different vehicle models lined up, but not enough battery production. This is the same reason Tesla had to delay the launch of the Cybertruck. The battery supply just wasn't there to make the Cybertruck. Tesla is prioritizing the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model S Plaid for now. Once Tesla ramps up their battery production at the new Fremont factory, then we can see other Tesla projects like the Cybertruck, the Tesla semi-truck, and the Tesla van to start picking up traction. Because frankly, as things are right now, even if Tesla makes all these vehicles, there won't be a battery to power them. And considering Tesla vehicles, the Cybertruck and Semi will take a lot larger battery packs than smaller Tesla Model Y, it doesn't make sense to focus on the larger vehicles first. Unveiled at Tesla Battery Day in September 2020, the 4680 battery cell is set to be arguably the most crucial technological development in the company's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. And since so many future Tesla vehicles like Tesla Van and the Cybertruck depend on the 4680 batteries, it is more crucial than ever that Tesla successfully manages to scale production for these. Tesla said that it has successfully proven the performance and lifetime of the new cell through rigorous testing processes. Tesla is ironing out the manufacturing processes of the cell, which continue to plague Tesla's production output. Even though we had been hearing since July that large-scale production of the 4680 will start soon, there is still not a lot of information on how far along Tesla is. In July, reportedly, the volume production of the 4680 cells was held up to iron out the final 10% of the manufacturing process. Scaling up production for the 4680 battery cell has been a challenge for Tesla, but we have seen progress in the last week or so. Tesla's goal of mass-producing its 4680 battery cells recently took a significant step forward. The New Caledonian miner Prony Resources has announced the EV maker had agreed to purchase 42,000 tons of nickel in a multi-year deal. Nickel is a key material that Tesla needs for its high-powered batteries, such as the 4680 cells that are currently in pilot production at the company's Cato Road facility in Fremont, California. There are also reports of Tesla ramping up their hiring at the 4680 pilot production line at the Fremont factory in California. So, we might see full-scale production of the 4680 battery cell by the end of this year, and then we can finally see all the new projects like the Tesla Van come to reality. While battery production plagues Tesla and its ambitions to expand, it doesn't mean the electric vehicle giant has stopped exploring new projects. Among these is the Robovan project, an optimized way to transport people with disabilities. References to the Tesla Robovan were shared by CEO Elon Musk during the company's recent all-hands meeting. Apart from the Robovan being capable of transporting large numbers of people, Elon Musk also revealed that the upcoming vehicle would be designed to address the needs of passengers with disabilities. So we can expect features like ease of getting in and out of the vehicle, so that the Robovan is perfect for people with special needs. Other features like active air suspension, similar to the one used in the Cybertruck, would be particularly useful for disabled passengers. They would make it easier for items such as wheelchairs to be loaded and unloaded from the Tesla Robovan. And the use of a completely autonomous electric van isn't just limited to people with special needs. Elon Musk's other venture, the Boring Company, has also previously shown that they could use a similar vehicle to significantly increase the loop's capacity. Back in 2017, the Boring Company released concept images of its planned people carrier. The concept images show a vehicle that's akin to a van, though one that features some very generous headroom and enough space for lots of cargo. Elon Musk has a lot of different plans with vans, so if you're a van fan, then you have something to look forward to in the coming years.